This 8-piece set of glass meal prep containers offers generous 30-ounce capacity that works well for hearty lunches and organized weekly planning. The containers are made from sturdy borosilicate glass, so they tolerate temperature changes better than typical soda lime glass and can move from refrigerator to oven or microwave without drama. Snap locking lids with silicone gaskets create a tight seal that keeps food fresher longer and greatly reduces the chance of leaks in a work bag or gym tote. Because the bases are oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, they are practical for everything from batch cooking to reheating leftovers with very little cleanup effort. The rectangular shape and uniform sizing let these containers stack neatly, making it much easier to keep a crowded refrigerator or small kitchen cabinet under control. Overall, this set suits anyone who wants durable, reusable storage that looks cleaner and lasts longer than stained plastic containers.